Okay, so you want to know how to get a TonKeeper wallet? Well, I have the solution for you. The first thing you have to do is go to tonkeeper.com, and here you will find iOS, Android, TonKeeper Pro, and Telegram. So I'm going to press this one to PC, but the procediment is for every one of the devices. So when you install it, you will get this wallet, and you have to press this button, get started. You press it, and if you have a wallet you can click the second one, but if you don't have, you have to press the first one, new wallet, create new wallet. So you press it, and once it's created, you you have to save these words like here. So you have to take a screenshot or write it on a paper so you don't lose your account. Continue. Okay, so it will check that you have written down your recovery phrase. So in that case I have to put these ones. The 3 is problem, the 12 is there, and the 18 is rain. So continue, and as you can see, you got your wallet app. So here you can do whatever you want with TonKeeper and use the Toncoin network. So if this video was useful, please subscribe, like, comment, share, and see you in another easy way video. Goodbye.